Let's take a look at these examples. Again, we have unknowns in the exponents. So I'm going to apply the logarithm to both sides of each equation. And let's take a look at the first one. Because I have 10 on the right side of this equation, I'm going to use the common logarithm for this particular problem. So I have log of 5 to power negative a equals log of 10. Next, I'm going to use the property for the log of power, and I'm going to convert this exponent to the coefficient. I'm going to simply bring this down to the front of the logarithm, and I'm going to have negative a log 5 is equal log with base 10. Remember, there is invisible base 10 of 10 is equal 1. That's why I'm going to write 1 over here. In order to find a, I have to divide both sides of the equation by whatever is multiplied to a. I have negative and I have log 5. That's why I'm going to divide both sides equation by negative log 5. Negative log 5. Log 5 and log 5 will cancel out. Negative and negative will cancel out. And I have a equals 1 over negative log 5. Please keep in mind that this is positive value divided by negative. Positive divided by negative is negative. I simply write negative 1 over log 5. A is equal negative 1.4306. This is the solution to this problem. In order to verify your answer, you're supposed to plug the value which you obtain to the original equation instead of a, and simply type into the calculator 5 to the power negative and negative 1.4306. Close parenthesis, close parenthesis. You have to close parenthesis twice because you open twice. And you're supposed to get the value approximately 10. When the left side is equal to the right side, means this is the answer to the problem. Let's take a look at the second example. Again, unknown is the part of the exponent. In order to find value of t, I'm supposed to apply the logarithm to both sides of the equation. Because the bases on both sides of the equation are different than e and 10, I can use either logarithm, common log or natural log. This time I'm going to use the natural one. Simply write ln 2 t over 2 is equal ln 0.021. Next, you're supposed to use the property for the log of power and bring this exponent to the front of the logarithm. And I'm going to have coefficient t over 2 natural log 2 equals ln 0.021. Next, I'm supposed to eliminate the fraction. Eliminate the fraction by multiplying both sides equation by the denominator. In this case, I have to multiply both sides by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel out. And I have t ln 2 equals 2 natural log 0.021. I'm looking for value of t. That's why I have to divide both sides equation by whatever is multiplied to t in this case. have to divide both sides by ln2. T is equal to natural log 0.021 divided by ln2. Plug in these values into the calculator and you're supposed to obtain t equals negative 11.1469. And this is the solution to this problem.